Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Solve the following. So we have to find what should be the number in this blank. So let's say the number in the blank we'll assume is x. So here we have to find x. So we have to simplify this equation. So if we move 4792 in the right hand side, then it will become division, because here it is in the multiplication sign. So we can write 700 plus x plus 5 will give this value. So divided by 4792, this division will give 715. So in the right hand side it is 715 and in the left hand side 700 plus 5 will give 705. So from here we can find the number that will come in the blank, that is x. 715 minus 705, this subtraction will give 10. So x is 10 and x is what we have to find out here. So we can say that the answer is 10.